Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, those of you that have not subscribed and you are yet to subscribe, please click on that subscribe button, like, share, and also make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. So let's take a look at this our odd pair. This is AUD Swiss franc, AUD New Zealand dollar, and AUD card for the week. So this starting with AUD Swiss franc, we would want to analyze this with from the higher time frame, which is the monthly time frame. We would want to understand the full movement for this, right? So when you take a look at this, your AUD Swiss franc, you can see that the movement is a bearish move, right? The market do make three movements, right? Three type of movements. Either it is giving us an uptrend move, it's either giving us a downtrend move, or it is either giving us a ranging market move. So what we are having on AUD Swiss franc is actually a downtrend move. So we can see a lower lows here. We will now take a look at this to be a lower highs. This would now be seen as a new lower lows, and we can consider this to be a lower highs. What do you expect? So a new lower lows needs to be played out, whereby this new lower lows will take out the previous lower lows. So I think we'll be getting that much more. We'll be able to, the movement will be visible in 3 months' time, be it February or March, right? So if you're a long-term trader, well, all you just have to do is wait for a setup to actually go ahead and sell. Because right now, I don't think the setup is playing out right, because you can see price is kind of giving us like a pullback. This is one of the reasons why each candlestick wick is taken at the bottom of this daily time frame and this monthly time frame candlestick wick here. You can see this the month of December. We actually had a bearish move. It gave us a bearish move, but with a candlestick wick sticking at the bottom. That is to tell that there is kind of like a pullback, which which is kind of like bullish. So watch out for it. Secondly, you can see this 10 period moving average, right? So we all know the rules of trading this 10 period moving average. As long as the price is trading below this moving average, all you just have to do is wait for a setup or look for a setup to go ahead and sell, right? You want to go ahead and short on your AUD Swiss franc, right? So this previously price was trading below this 10 period moving average. So at this period, you would have been looking for a setup to go ahead and sell. Right now, then price kind of traded was trading above the moving average. That time we actually went long. We actually go bullish, and now price is below our 10 period moving average. So all we just have to do is wait for a setup to go ahead and sell. That should now take us to the weekly time frame. Like I always say, before you place a trade, know the trend for that trade you want to place. So we can see on this AUD Swiss franc, this is a downtrend move. So we see this as a lows. This will now be considered to be a lower highs. Then here would be a lower lows. We will take a look at this to be a lower highs, and we would continue our bearish move on AUD Swiss franc, by the way. So that is what I am watching out for. So you can see that upper week, right? AUD Swiss franc gave us a bullish move. We actually opened and closed bullish. This week that just finished also, we also had a bullish move. Price also opened and closed bullish. And you can see that above this week, we are very much likely to also open bullish. This week that we are predicting for, we are very much likely to also see price open and close bullish, because I believe this week AUD pairs will actually go bullish, especially when you take a look at your AUD USD. You also take a look at some of your AUD pairs will be having a bullish move. So I believe this bullish move will actually come up, right? But we can see that this price is still trading below the 10 period moving average, right? So as long as this price is still trading below this 10 period moving average, we still see this as a sell. Now that should take us to the daily time frame. Now pay attention to this daily time frame, right? You can see on this daily time frame, price was actually ranging once ranging within this level, right? If we were following consistently, we'd have seen our price get to this resistance, then jump to this support level. How we took the opportunity, then we went long to our resistance level, then came down to our support. So basically, price has been doing like that. Then we saw that this price actually break out on this. So I'm seeing this as like a false breakout, to actually take out a lot of traders. So what I'll be expecting on this AUD Swiss franc is to actually come up like this, right? It gave us a pullback, right? So I believe price actually give us bullish move to take out this previous highs. So if eventually price can take out this previous highs, I'm not saying it will, but there's every possibility it will. So if price can eventually take out this previous highs, then we should actually see it continue to give us that bullish move. till come out to take this resistance level on the daily time frame. So this is one of the reasons why I'm very skeptical about AUD Swiss franc giving us that bearish move. So I'll be watching out for a bullish move on AUD Swiss franc for the week. So I will expect it to actually give me bullish this week. Same thing with the 4 hour time frame. Price is kind of giving us that bullish move. So let's watch out for that. Now that will now take us to the AUD New Zealand dollar. So you can see that this price is actually giving us a bearish move. So in the month of October, right, which is 10, we actually opened and closed bearish. Same thing with the month of November, we opened and closed bearish. Now, if you take a look at the month of December, we also opened and closed bearish with a huge candlestick wick taken at the bottom. I just want you to know that that huge candlestick wick is taken at the bottom is just like a pullback, which is more visible on the daily time frame. So we will get into that soon. That should now take us to the weekly time frame. So we can now take a look at this AUD's AUD New Zealand dollar as lower lows. You would see this to be a lower highs. After that, what do you expect? This is a lower lows, right? After this lower lows, what do you expect again? You've gotten a pullback. Now, after this pullback, what do you expect? I'm expecting a bearish move. So AUD New Zealand dollar. Let's see if we actually if it will give us a bearish move this week. So let's watch out for a bearish move for this week. Now let's see if this pullback is actually really over by taking applying our Fibonacci retracements. So the retracement has given us a pullback to a level of it has even broken a level of it has broken above the level of 23.6, right? It has broken a level of 23.6. So let's see if we would actually be able to find rejection at this level on AUD Swiss franc and AUD New Zealand dollar. And if we don't find rejection, thereby price will start dropping, then definitely price should be able to give us that bullish move to a level of 38.2. So I'll be watching out for this level before we continue that bearish move for the week on AUD New Zealand dollar. One, a level of 23.6. The second level is a level of 38.2. So within this level, which is a level of 23.6 and a level of 38.2, we should actually see that, find that, get that rejection on AUD New Zealand dollar. Thereby, the price will continue to go bearish. So in any of the level, by the way. So this will now take us to the daily time frame. So this daily time frame is kind of giving us like a bullish move, but on the weekly time frame is being seen as a pullback, right? But daily time frame is giving us higher highs and higher lows. This is one of the reasons why I'm skeptical to actually go ahead and sell. So we need to be very, very careful before we go ahead and take our sell on AUD New Zealand dollar. So you take a look at this to be a bullish move. See this as a pullback. Now expect a new highs. Let's see this new highs, whereby it will get to that level of 38.2. We are all watching on um this AUD New Zealand dollar. So let's see if it will get to this level of this new impulse move that we made. Let's see if it will get to a level of 38.2 before we continue that bearish move. Same thing with the forward time frame. Basically, we can see rally highs. So before you go ahead and sell, you need to get multiple breakout structure downward. You must get lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs before you go ahead and sell. You don't want to sell when this 4 hour time frame is actually giving you a bullish move. Just wait for the 4 hour time frame to start giving you a bearish move before you go ahead and sell for the week. That should now take us to our AUD card. So you can see, let's see from here on the weekly time frame, you can see that price has actually spiked up, right? Then a pullback was made. So I believe price is giving us that impulse. So we should come again, tap this level before we actually get that drop. So this AUD card, right, I would expect it to actually go up a bit, kind of serving like a double top, right? Kind of like a double top movement. Then before you start getting that drop on AUD card. So AUD card, you will be getting a drop. But for this week that we are predicting is just only this week. Let's it give us a bullish move. We should actually open and close bullish. Then the upper one, you can now start having or seeing a bearish move. So from here to here, we actually add 92 position. So this week, let's see if markets opens here and it take out this candlestick week here. We should be able to grab about 100 pips for the week. So we can still see on the weekly time frame, price is still trading above this moving average. So we still see this movement as an uptrend move or a bullish move. Now that should now take us to the daily time frame. You can see the daily time frame, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. So let's see what this thing is saying. So we actually had a pullback to level of 38.2, right? Now that this price has rejected from a level of 38.2 and it is going bullish, so let us be able to hit this level, which is 0.0 for this week. We should take out this highs for this week. Once price started, the price gave us a pullback at this level. So we should actually rally up to take out that level. So this is one of the reasons why we very much likely to grab about 100 pips for this week. And you can also see price still trading above the 10-period moving average. So you still see this as an uptrend move. And now the forward time frame that we want to trade, you can see it's giving us an uptrend move, higher highs and higher lows. So we would have to go ahead and trade with what this AUD card is showing us or giving us. So we should go higher highs and higher lows with this AUD card. And you can also see it's still trading above the 10-period moving average. So guys, this AUD card, we should expect it to go bullish to take out this highs, right, before we start getting that drop for the week.